Hi everyone and welcome back to my place. In part one of this design, I showed you how to decoupage, so I'll put the link there so that you can see how magically wonderful that craft project is. So that's my spring garden that I've decoupaged, and then I got some of one or two of each of our blooms that we have here at Prestige Botanicals, and I set the scene waiting for the spring. This would be a beautiful design to give to somebody who is in a home or is unable to get outside. And if they love spring, they can have spring all year round. And then when the spring flowers come into your garden, and you know how you get a little bit of this and a little bit of that, this is the perfect design in which you can incorporate the fresh and the artificial. Very easy. Let me just talk you through. Like, I've got just a few lovely little paper whites here, and I've got some gorgeous tulips. I love white tulips, and you'll see that they're all bending and going all over the place. And that's what I love about this type of design. You don't have to do it perfectly, because the garden doesn't produce everything sitting up absolutely perfectly, because when you bring them inside, or you're picking them, they're just all over the place, so don't be worrying about that. So I've just got a few early freesias, and I've got some white, the lovely white of the tulips, and I've also got these little things here. Now these little waterfowls come on the ends of orchids usually. I think you can buy them at Amazon. There's a couple of places where you can buy them, but when I get fresh orchids, I keep these because these come in very, very handy. So all you need to do is to put fill 2/3 with water, put the top onto it, and then with your tulips, it's just a matter of, why are you not doing that? Oh, I actually went there. Phew. I have to be very careful when I'm using fresh flowers because I can be a little bit rough, and if I'm a little bit rough, I will break them. So I have to just apply a little bit of finesse. So that is all you need to do, and you might need to replace the water in this, but just keep an eye on what the water level, and if you need to, you can just add some more water, and they just, because you've got this lovely network of stems, they will just pop on in. Now see if I can do this here a little bit quicker. The other thing I need you to know is when you're picking your flowers, if you cut them on an angle like so, when these go into the file with that plastic, but I could cut that plastic and make it a bit wider, but if I do that, then the water's going to come out. So when that hits the bottom, you can't hardly see that, but I can see that. So it's not a cut stem sitting flat on the edge of the base of the little water file, so that it's still able to get some moisture coming up. So then these just get all placed into there, and I will get on with pushing these flowers into the files, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's finished. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again another day.